Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we have for you a very simple, quick and healthy breakfast recipe. Schools have reopened, so morning breakfast or lunch box, anytime you can make this Thakkali Aval or tomato poha. Here I have taken 2 cups of medium poha. First we will rinse it and bring it back. Wash it well, drain it and keep it aside. Now heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. First roast a handful of groundnuts. When the peanuts are well roasted, drain it out from the oil and keep it aside. Add mustard seeds, channa dal, 1 green chilli finely chopped, a little bit of hing or asafoetida, a few curry leaves, here I have 1 large onion which I chopped finely. Saute the onions. When the onions are translucent, just add a small pinch of turmeric powder. Next I have 3 ripe red tomatoes also which I have chopped very finely. Stir fry the tomatoes also till they become nice and soft. Here I have some frozen green peas. This is optional, if you have you can add. Keep the flame low, cover it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. See, the tomatoes have cooked well and become nice and soft. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of my homemade sambar powder. I'll give you the link in the description box. And a little bit of this Kashmiri chilli powder for color. Add salt. Again mix everything well together. So that the masalas also get cooked well. See, the masalas have cooked well and also any water from the tomato has also been absorbed. Now we will add in this washed and strained poha to it. And with a gentle hand give it a good mix. Now finally sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves on top and we'll top it up with these fried peanuts. Our tasty Thakkali Aval or tomato poha is ready. Our healthy and tasty Thakkali Aval or tomato poha, quick and easy to make. You can have it for breakfast, dinner or even pack it in your lunch box. It is ready to be served. I have kept some chips I had with me and also some curd to go with it. Thank you for watching the video. Please try out the recipe, share it with your family and friends, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.